Suppose the sides of a triangle ABC are 540 meters and 420 meters, and the included angle is 52 degrees and 6 minutes. Determine the remaining angle. So here what we'll do, we are going to consider a triangle ABC. So let's say ABC is our triangle. We are also going to name the sides. The sides opposite to angle A, which is BC, will be denoted by the letter A in lowercase. Then the side opposite to angle B, which is AC, will be denoted by B in lowercase, and the third side, AB, which is the side opposite to angle C, will be denoted by C in lowercase. Now let us suppose that, as given here, that the sides of a triangle are 540 and 420. So we can choose any two random sides. So let us suppose that C corresponds to 540 meters and angle B, that is 420 meters, and we have an angle, included angle, so let that be angle A. So here we have 52 degrees and 6 minutes. So let's make this assumptions here. So our goal will be to determine the remaining angles. That means the angle measure of B as well as C. Okay, so what we'll do here, first we are going to make use of the fact that the sum of the three angles of a triangle, that's 180 degrees. So A plus B plus C, that's going to be 180 degree. Now we have the angle measure of A given to us, so that's 52 degrees and 6 minutes added to the angles B and C, that's equals to 180 degree. So B plus C, that's going to be equals to 180 degrees minus 52 degrees and 6 minutes. So B plus C, angle B plus C, comes out to be 127 degrees and 54 minutes. Now let this be our first equation, equation number 1. So what we'll do, we are going to form another equation such that that equation is going to help us solve for the values of B and C by taking the help of equation number 1. So here what we use is the half angle formula. Tangent of B minus C over 2 equals to B minus C over B plus C whole multiplied to cotangent of A over 2. The goal here is to find out angle B minus angle C. Okay, so to begin with, what we'll do, we are going to keep the left hand side as it is. We have tangent of the angle B minus C divided by 2 equals to. Now coming to the right hand side, so we need the side measure of B, so that is 420 meters, minus the side measure of C, that is 540 meters, divided by, we did B plus C, so that's going to be 420 added to 540. This is going to get multiplied to cotangent of the angle A. So angle A, that's given in the problem as 52 degrees and 6 minutes, and we're going to divide it by 2. Okay, so let's further simplify. So this is going to give us tangent of B minus C divided by 2, and this value is going to be approximately negative 0.26. So what we'll do next, we are going to take the inverse tangent function on both sides such that we get B minus C over 2. That is going to be equals to the inverse tangent of negative 0.26. Right. Now what we do next is find out the value of the inverse tangent of negative 0.26. So this is going to be negative 14 degrees and 34 minutes. Okay, next what we'll do, we're going to multiply both sides with 2 such that we get B minus C. So that is going to be equal to negative 29 degrees and 8 minutes. So this is going to be our second equation. So then the next task, our goal, we will solve equation number 1 and equation number 2 to obtain the value B and C. To begin with, first let's add equation number 1 with equation number 2. So on the left hand side, what we'll get is 2 times the angle B. And on the right hand side, we have 127 degrees, 54 minutes minus 29 degrees, 8 minutes. So that should give us 98 degrees and 46 minutes. So to find out the angle B, we're going to divide both sides with 2. So we are going to get 49 degrees and 23 minutes. So this is going to be the angle measure of B. Now to find out the angle measure of A, so what we'll do, we're going to take equation number 1 and from it we're going to subtract equation number 2 such that on the left hand side we get 2 times the angle C, and this is going to be equals to 157 degrees and 2 minutes. Next, what we'll do, we're going to divide both sides with 2 such that we get 78 degrees and 31 minutes. So this is going to be the angle measure of C. So we have successfully obtained the angle measure of B as well as C.